Welcome to Mile Study. Today let's see the book pack questions of outbreak of World War One and its aftermath. Let's go to the questions. Question number 1. What were the three major empires shattered by end of the First World War? Option A, Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. Question number 2. Which country emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century? Option B, Japan. Japan in 1894 forced a war on China and defeated China. That's why it was called strongest nation of the East Asia. Question number 3. Who said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism? It is said by Lenin and the option is A. Question number 4. What is the Battle of Marne remembered for? Option B. Trench warfare. Question number 5. To which country did the first Secretary General of League of Nations belong? Option A. Britain. Question number 6. Which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? Russia in 1939 attacked Finland in December month, so it is expelled by League of Nations. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Japan forced a war on China in the year 1894. Question number 2. The new state of Albania was created according to the Treaty of Dash signed in May 1930. Treaty of London. Question number 3. Japan entered into an alliance with England in the year 1902. Question number 4. In the Balkans, Macedonia had mixed population. Question number 5. In the Battle of Tannenberg, Dash suffered heavy losses. Russia. Question number 6. Dash as Prime Minister represented France in Paris Peace Conference. Clemenceau. Question number 7. Locarno Treaty was signed in the year of 1925. Choose the correct statement. The Turkish Empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. It is the correct one. Turkey fought on the side of the Central Powers. It is also correct. And the third one, Britain attacked Turkey and captured Constantinople. It is not the correct. Why? Because Turkey captured the Constantinople, not by the Britain. And the fourth one, Turkey's attempt to attack Suez Canal but were repulsed. So it is also correct. So option is option D. 1 and 2, 4 are correct. Question number 2. Assertion. Germany and the United States were produced cheaper manufactured goods and capturing England's markets. Reason. Both the countries produced required raw material for their industries. So it is not the correct reason. Why? Because they produced raw materials for their colonies and industries. In here there is no colonies, so the reason is not correct. So the option is A is right, but R is not the correct reason. Option B. Question number 3. Assertion. The first European attempt to carve out colonies in Africa resulted in bloody battles. Reason. There was stiff resistance from the native population. So the both sentence is correct. So option both A and R correct. Option A. Match the following. Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, Russia with Germany. Jingoism. It is the patriotism of England. So the answer is England. Kemal Pasha. He played a vital role to make Turkey as a great nation. So the answer is Turkey. Emden, the important ship which came to Madras. So the answer is Madras. Hall of Mirrors, Versailles. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe us for more videos. I am going to upload all the school books in English. It will be so helpful to the students who are studying schools and who are studying competitive examination in English medium. So kindly subscribe and share to the persons who are preparing it in English medium. Then tell me my mistakes in comment box. It is not in the data, in the way of telling. If you know anything, just tell me in comment box, then I will change it. I will upload more effective videos. And thanks for watching again. Thank you.